Clearing throat phlegm and tonsil stones, sore throat phlegm symptoms, causes and home remedies. Tonsillitis is one of the common ailments that you might come across. In some cases, it shows up in the form of tonsil tones and white spots on the neckline. Sore throat is an issue that is directly linked with tonsil and phlegm stones. In fact, it is one of the important symptoms of this problem. Here are some of the essential points that would help you in understanding more about phlegm throat clearing. The symptoms: fever and chills, pain in throat, irritation in the affected area, swelling of the lymph glands, inflammation, difficulty in swallowing, constant and mild headache, nausea, blood in the saliva and phlegm, problem with breathing, inability to swallow the food, can't open the mouth properly, lump in the neck, hoarse voice, etc. The causes: allergies to some food or due to environmental changes, sharing drinks with someone or kissing the one who has a sore throat, infection caught due to a person coughing, blowing the nose, or sneezing near you, severe tonsillitis, measles, excessive smoking, sinus, etc. The natural remedies: avoid eating fish, bone of chicken bone, etc. Strictly avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Avoid over hot and too cold food and water. Have them mild. Gargle with warm water and salt at least 4 to 5 times a day. Make use of garlic and cayenne pepper in your daily meals. Avoid taking too hot spices. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile blossoms in water. Leave it for some while and then strain the liquid. Have half or a full cup of this water every 1 hour. Have lots of fresh vegetable smoothies, juices, and soups. Add honey in place of sugar. It helps in clearing away the mucus stuck in the throat. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.